Hello educators, I'm Tippy from LogicMills. Now this is one of the first few videos that you're going to be seeing out of a ton of different resources that we're going to be putting out very soon. Now with all these resources, my end goal is to aid you however I can as we transition from having everything be physical classes in a classroom to having online classes. Now, I know that there are going to be lots of hiccups, lots of roadblocks along the way, but hopefully something here will help you and give you that aha moment where you're like, right, that's what I should be doing, that's what I can add to my classroom, or possibly that's something that maybe I can tweak about something I've done. So just a quick overview about everything we're going to talk about. We have understanding online classrooms, some tech or digital guides plus resources that all of you educators can use. We also have tips and tricks on how to manage students, on different teaching activities you can use, as well as what kind of environments you should have around you and you should have your students be in. Now, I hope that all of these things may be useful to you guys. We're always open to whatever you would like to add because we're a great teaching community. Not only can we help our students learn, but we can also help our other teachers out there grow as well. So anything that you guys would like to add, please leave it down in the comments, and I look forward to sharing information with you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.